Base number is a standard measure of basicity in crude oil and oil products, serving as a crucial indicator of quality, deterioration, and safety of use. Base number is defined as the amount of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the amount of acid needed to neutralize the base content of 1 gram of an oil sample. In this video, we measure the base number of a reference liquid in accordance with ASTM D2896 Procedure B using the AT-710 automatic potentiometric titrator. Apparatus. Potentiometric titrator. Burette 10 or 20 ml. Electrodes. For this application, you can use the 2 individual electrodes or the 2-in-1 combined electrodes in tandem. Stirrers. In this video, we use the magnetic stirrer. Changing the electrode's inner solution. Uncap the refill hole of the electrode and draw out the standard potassium chloride inner solution with a pipette. After enough is removed, add a little DI or distilled water and lightly tilt up and down to rinse. Draw out the water and rinse twice more. Next, the inside of the electrode must be pre-washed with saturated sodium perchlorate in acetic acid solution. After adding a little, tilt the electrode gently up and down before removing most of the solution. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. After finishing the pre-wash, fill the electrode with saturated sodium perchlorate in acetic acid solution. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before using the electrode to allow the solution to permeate the liquid junction. Make sure to leave the refill hole uncapped during measurement. Preparing the burette with titrant. This is how to prepare the burette with the 0.1 mol per litre perchloric acid in acetic acid solution. Set purge times to 10 or more. In the purge mode setting, choose to bottle to purge to the reagent bottle. Press the up and down button to purge. Perform 10 purges between the burette and the reagent bottle to ensure that titrant will be dispensed at the proper concentration. After purging, remove any air from the titration nozzle's bubble trap and top up with titrant. Pressing the up button discharges titrant. After confirming that no bubbles remain in the bubble trap, press the up button again to stop discharging titrant. Raise the electrode holder so that when set, the electrode's glass bottom will not collide with the stand's base. Insert the electrode into the holder from below and secure it. Fasten the cable to the top of the electrode. When setting the electrode, pay attention to the position of the electrode and the titration nozzle. The magnetic stirrer bar spins clockwise. The electrode is placed far from the nozzle to avoid it being hit with titrant directly. Standardization of the titrant. Following ASTM D2896 Procedure B, prepare some potassium hydrogen phthalate in acetic acid, transfer to a beaker with a stirrer, and set it on the stirrer. Next, set the method. Create or select your method here and press OK to confirm. Press the sample button and enter the potassium hydrogen phthalate's mass. Return to the main screen and press Start to commence measurement. Once completed, perform twice more and calculate the average. The average is automatically calculated and reflected in the reagent info list. The average value 0.96289 will be used. Blank test. Add 60 ml of solvent to a beaker with a stirrer. The test sample is not added in this step. Remove the soaking electrode from the solvent and briefly immerse in pure water to regenerate it. Gently wipe dry, briefly immerse in solvent, and gently wipe dry once more. Immerse the electrode into a beaker containing 60 ml of solvent and a stirrer. Change the method. As shown previously, select the desired method and press OK. Next, press the sample button and enter sample weight and any other required information. Pressing start commences titration with the 0.1 mol per litre per chloric acid solution. The titration has proceeded close to the endpoint. Once completed, perform twice more and calculate the average. The average is automatically calculated and reflected in the blank list. The average value 0.00503 mils is used here. Sample measurement. The sample being measured is a reference liquid containing exactly 1 mg of potassium hydroxide per gram. Factors such as desired sample volume and sampling precision vary with sample base number, so please refer to ASTM D2896 to check. Take the electrode and briefly immerse in pure water to regenerate it. Gently wipe dry, briefly immerse in solvent, then dry once more. Into a beaker with a magnetic stirrer, add the sample, then 60 ml of solvent. Set the beaker on the stirrer. As shown previously, select the desired method and press OK. Next, press the sample button and enter sample weight and any other required information. Pressing start commences titration with the 0.1 mol per litre per chloric acid solution. The titration has proceeded close to the endpoint. The result is displayed when reached. After rinsing and soaking the electrode, measure twice more using the same protocol. Rinsing and reconditioning the electrode. This involves rinsing the glass electrode with titration solvent and then soaking it in water to restore its aqueous gel layer. Once the electrode is regenerated, repeat measurement 2 more times. Measurement results. Here are the measurement results showing good accuracy and repeatability. For different solvent volumes, base number, CRM data and more, please visit our application database KEM app search and use search query base number. KEM's AT-710 series titrators are perfect for measuring base number, complying with standards such as ASTM D2896. Contact us or your local KEM distributor to find out more.